Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news overnight data has actually been quite positive, showing the global expansion isn't done yet. The American logistics sector is still expanding fast. But even after adjusting for the short week ahead of their national holiday, American mortgage applications actually fell back rather sharply last week, and this was despite a small rollback in their mortgage interest rates. And the latest weekly survey for retail activity picked up last week from levels that were already quite buoyant. It was a gain that was better than expected. And the widely watched American Services PMI for June came in better than expected, and only a trivial dip from May. If there was an issue with this, it is a slightly lower growth in new orders. Their level of job openings remained near record highs at 11.3 million and coming in for May better than the 11 million expected. Their quit rate fell to a 4-month low of 2.8%, and there are now almost 2 openings for every unemployed person. School match is still a problem, however. And the latest US Fed minutes show their officials are concerned entrenched inflation poses a significant risk, and a more restrictive policy stance may be needed. We should also note that the Chinese and American foreign ministers are about to meet in an attempt to reset their relationship. It won't be easy. German factory orders surprised with a small month-on-month rise when a sharpest fall was expected. This is just the latest data in a series that has been nowhere near as bad as you might think they would be. The pace of adaptation in the German economy in the face of extreme stress is actually quite impressive. In France, it looks like they are about to nationalise their big nuclear energy producer in an attempt to keep their lights on. And in Australia, businesses there say they have a stark choice: either push through very sharp price increases from energy cost rises or close as insolvent. For consumers and businesses, either way they face huge jumps in energy costs. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today back up to 2.90% and 10 basis points higher than this time yesterday. And the price of gold is down sharply again, down $29 to $1,737 an ounce. And oil prices are down further, down $1 to just under $96 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just on $99 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today little changed at 61.5 US cents. Against the Australian dollar will also barely change at 90.6 Australian cents. But against the euro we're firmer at 60.3 euro cents. That means our trade weight index starts today at just under 70.3 and 20 basis points firmer. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.